السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. الراعي والذئب وأهل القرية. راعي means shepherd, okay, who takes care of the sheep. والذئب means wolf. وأهل القرية villagers or village people. كان حامد راعيا. Hamid was a shepherd, okay. يرعى, he takes care. أغنام القرية, he takes care the sheep of the village. كان يأخذ الأغنام, he used to take the ships. كان يأخذ means he used to take the ships. في الصباح in the morning. الباكر in very early morning. باكر means very early morning. يخرج بها, and he used to go out with the ship where إلى أطراف القرية, to the outskirts of the village, to the outskirts of the village or open field. حيث, where he finds الأشجار, trees. والعشب الأخضر, where he finds what? Green grass. Where he finds trees and grass, he goes there with the ships. Okay. كان حامد. حامد يحمل. كان حامد يحمل. حامد used to carry في يده اليمنى عصا كبيرا. Alright. Um, in his right hand, he used to carry a big, cane, cane, like a stick. Okay, can you see here? Can you see the stick here? Okay, this is the stick. So he used to carry a huge stick, big stick or big cane, 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 in his right hand. وفي يده اليسرى, and in his left hand, طعامه. He used to carry his food. ومزماره, and his what? And his flute, pipe, clarinet. clarinet, clarinet or flute, flute, flute. ومزماره. وكان يصحبه كلبه, and there was a dog with him. Oh, one dog used to give him company. He had a dog who used to accompany him. الذي يجري أمام الأغنام خلفها, and that dog used to run. جرى يجري means running, used to run أمام, in front of the sheep, or behind the sheep. So the dog used to run like this, sometimes in front of the sheep, sometimes behind the sheep. عندما يصل أحمد إلى المرعى, when when Hamid reach إلى المرعى, to the pasture, 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 grazing land or farm land. Okay, where many sheep or many animals, all the animals, graze grass or eat grass. Okay, so grazing land. يترك أغنامه, and he leaves أغنامه, he leaves his sheep. ترعى, he leaves his sheep for grazing on the field. ويذهب إلى شجرة, and then he goes to a big tree, to a huge tree. يجلس تحتها, and he sits under that tree. ليتناول طعامه, to take his food, to eat his food. ثم يتناول مزماره, then he takes. يتناول, then he takes. مزماره, his flute, his clarinet or pipe. Okay, he takes his flute. ويغني بعض الألحان, then he creates some, he makes some music, or he sings some song. He makes some music, something like that. غنى يغني means singing. بعض الألحان. Alhan means tune, tune, tune. Mizmar is actually flute, F-L-U-T, flute, uh, which is used for a musical instrument. Okay, so he does this. Al Jamila, he creates some beautiful tunes with his flute. ثم ينام قليلا, then he sleeps for a little time, sleeps for a while. ويستيقظ, and he wakes up ليتفقد أغنامه, to see his ships. Okay, تفقد, يتفقد means to look for, to see his ships. Okay, whether they are okay or not. وعند العصر, during the afternoon. يجمع أغنامه, he gathers all his sheep. ويعود بها إلى القرية سعيدا, and happily he returned to the village again with the sheep. يعود عاد يعود means returning. بها means with the sheep إلى القرية to the village سعيدا happily. And then فكر حامد ذات يوم. فكر يفكر means he got an idea. He found or he thought. حامد thought one day he got an idea. حامد got an idea. ذات يوم means one day. ذات يوم one day. وقال لنفسه he told himself. He told to himself لماذا لا أسخر من أهل القرية. لماذا لا why I am not making any fun. لماذا لا أسخر. سخر يسخر means making fun with anyone or making fun with something. Alright, لماذا لا أسخر. Why I'm not making fun with the village people, with the villagers. Okay, it's so boring to come here every single day and doing these things. So why should not I make fun with the villagers, with the village people. وأخذ يفكر في طريقة. He found a way or he started thinking a way to make fun with them. أخذ يفكر, that means he started making fun في طريقة in a way يمازح بها أهل القرية, the way he will follow for doing مزاح, doing fun, making fun with the villagers. مازح يمازح means making fun. So he found a way by which he will be able to make fun with the villagers. صعد حامد إلى شجرة. Hamid climbed up. صعد means climbed up إلى شجرة to a to a tall village. Sorry, to a tall tree. شجرة عالية means to a tall tree. عالية means tall. وأخذ يصرخ, and he started screaming. He started making sound, making noise. أخذ يصرخ, he started shouting. Okay, صرخ shouting, screaming. أخذ means started بصوت عال, with loud voice. صوت عال, عال means loud, loudly or with loud voice. He started shouting loudly. الذئب, الذئب means the wolf, the wolf, wolf came. All right, wolf came to attack. لقد هجم الذئب على أغنامكم. The what? The wolf attacked on your sheep. The wolf attacked on your sheep. على أغنامكم. أنقذوني, please help me. أنقذوني, please rescue me. Help me from the wolf. لما سمع أهل القرية نداء الراعي. لما when سمع heard. أهل القرية village people, when village people heard نداء الراعي, the screaming of the shepherd, the screaming of that shepherd. أسرعوا, they ran, they rushed to him to rescue, to help. إليه means to the shepherd. فلما when وصلوا, they reached, they arrived إلى مكانه, to reach the place, reach the pasture, reach the grazing land, أخذ ينظر, they started looking at him. He started, the shepherd started looking at him, looking at them, means looking at the village. He started looking at the village. ويضحك, then he started laughing. He started laughing. ثم قال لهم, then he told the villagers, he told the villager what he told. لقد كذبت عليكم. Okay, it was a lie. I lied to you. Okay, كذبت عليكم. I lied to you. It was a lie. There is no wolf. عاد الناس إلى القرية غاضبين ثم نسوا الموضوع. People returned to the village إلى القرية, returned to the village غاضبين, becoming so angry. غاضبين is becoming so angry. ثم نسوا الموضوع, then they forgot this matter. Okay, نسوا means forgot this matter. Okay, can you see the villagers? What are they doing? They came with sticks to rescue the shepherd and their sheep with the stick from from the wolf. بعد أيام, after some days or after a few days. أعاد الراعي فعلته. أعاد الراعي means the shepherd did the same thing again. فعلته means did the same work, did the same thing again. أعاد means he did it again. He repeated this thing again. أعاد means repeating something, repeated this thing again. فأسرع إليه أهل القرية. Then again the أهل القرية, village people, villagers, rushed to him. أسرع إليه, rushed to him, ran to him again for rescuing. فلما وصلوا, when they reached the pasture, grazing land. farmland أخذ يضحك ويسخر منهم. He started laughing. He started laughing and started making fun with them. Okay, he started making fun with them. He started laughing with them. في المرة الثانية بعد the third time, during third time, مرة الثانية means third time, سمع أهل القرية villagers سمع heard نداء الراعي, screaming of the shepherd. فقالوا, they said, لا تذهبوا. Okay, they started the shout of the voice of the shepherd again. أنقذوني. Can you see here the word أنقذوني? He started shouting. But the villagers, they said what they said. لا تذهبوا, don't go إليه إنه كاذب. Don't go إليه now, he's a liar. Don't go. No, okay, he's making fun with us. We shouldn't go. لا تذهبوا. ولم يكن الراعي كاذبا هذه المرة. But this time, هذه المرة, this time, لم يكن, he was not. لم يكن, he was not. الراعي, the shepherd was not liar. This time the shepherd was not a liar. بل كان صادقا, but uh, he was telling the truth, or he was true. بل كان صادقا, he was true. فقد جاءه الذئب وأكله. A wolf came, a real wolf came, وأكله, and the wolf killed him, ate him. Okay. في العصر, during afternoon, or at the time of afternoon, عادت الأغنام, the ships returned to the village. All the ships returned to the village. ولكن الراعي, but the shepherd لم يعد, didn't return. Okay, but the shepherd was not with the ships when they returned to the village during afternoon, or at the afternoon. فذهب, at afternoon. فذهب أهل القرية, the villagers went to the pasture to check where is the shepherd. ورعى, يتفقدون, to look for, to see. تفقد يتفقد, to see. راعي, to see the shepherd. وعندما, and when. وصلوا, they reached there, reached the place. إلى هنا, reached the place. لم يجدوا, they didn't find. لم يجدوا means they didn't find. الراعي, they didn't find the shepherd. ولكن, but وجدوا, they found the signs of uh, signs of the wolf. Third means signs, signs. They understood that yes, really, Vic came. Okay, these are the signs. Footprint. Okay, I should say third of them is footprint. These are the footprint of uh, you know wolf. وملابس الراعي موزع, and they also found what? ملابس الراعي, the shepherd dress, the shepherd cloth was الممزق, shredded, torn, ripped, shredded. ممزق, it was torn, 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 shredded, 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 or ripped, ripped, ripped. Okay, yeah, that was the story. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.